While I've got the camera out, I've just done the quick video on the Morris Minor. Might as well do a video on the MG. 1964, I think. Roadster. Pull handle. Can you guess what that metal's for? Woohoo! I'm going to be brave. Seeing how much the panels are. I've watched the YouTube videos. I'm going to have a go at this one. Once the Germans are out of the way. There's that German. And then there's another one of those. And then there's an S2. So it'll be quite a while. Why is there no hood? Oh, taking the hood off. Easier access to clean. Oh, try and clean the interior. Because you buy these projects and I just want rid of it, mate. So no, never bother cleaning it out, do they? This is 39,881 miles. Could be 139, could be 200, could be 500, judging by the condition. Pull handle. Don't know what the big deal about a pull handle is. I think if you pull it too hard, it'll probably rip the door off. It has sagged, and yes, it is sitting funny just because it's in a divot in the floor. It's got a hood. The hood actually isn't too bad a condition. Window was good on it. I just dumped it here yesterday. Shouldn't leave it like that, but at least it's warm weather. That'd probably clean up. Came off ever so easy. Wasn't bolted down. It's got a boot. And the boot opens, and there's more crap and whatever in there. I haven't touched it really yet. I need to put my hazmat suit on. Spent 2 hours the other day cleaning out all the rat droppings from the engine bay. I had to make myself a nice little scraping tool to get down into the chassis legs and scrape it all out. And then poor Henry had to eat it. Poor Henry goes through some stuff in this garage. He does, goes through some stuff. But got to keep him fed, that's what he's here for. Right, I can't open the bonnet with one hand, so see you in a sec. Right, I'm back. Look at that. That adds at least 10 horsepower, that sign does. Yeah, all around here, rat droppings. It's probably still more. Needs to be pushed outside and have a jet wash, really. I haven't tried to turn the engine over yet. I think it's probably going to be seized looking at that water pump and looking at the heater valve that is there because it dropped off. Look at all that crust in there. It's a good job it's going to be full resto. I think I've still missed some droppings. Yeah, needs wings, needs inner wing supports, needs sills, castle sections, probably spring hangers. I'd be surprised if it doesn't need more than that. Aluminium bonnet, it's already got one of those. That's probably the best selling point of the whole vehicle. And look at that, isn't that lovely? Looks like it's already been plated a couple of times. Oh, it only needs a castle section, mate. You're all right there. Yeah. Double the value of the car when I put a castle section on it, won't it? But, well, we'll see when I get round to it. Idea is fiberglass wings, doors, boot lid if they're allowed, hard top, built engine, uprated springs, uprated lever arm dampers, uprated rear springs, uprated brakes, wheels and tyres, and building it as a historic race rally car as it's early enough to qualify. But we'll see. If somebody makes me a good offer for it, then I can say bye to it and I can get which car could I do next? I could do that one next, the S2 wide body. Anybody wants a transit van, just needs a CV boot. I've got lots going on.